So now first we're going to customize the size. Okay, here you see customize that, click that one, and I already have 3000 by 3000 pixels, so you can just type in here and here, or you can just click this one, and then it gives us this page, which is the size that we put into that bar. Okay, so now here is the 3000 by 3000 pixels that we're going to use to create a mock-ups. Okay, so this is a very short tutorial. I just want to show you guys how and where you can find those mock-ups for your products or items that you want to print. Okay, so from here on your left side, as you see here, there's so many icons here. Then just go down and click the mock-ups. Okay, so click this mock-ups, and there you go. So there's so many styles that you want to use for your mock-ups. If you want to put mock-ups on a cup, or if you want to use your mock-up for videos, smartphones, prints, and many other, then you can just choose which one do you want. Okay, so for this tutorial I'm gonna use cups. Okay, so let's say you want to create a mock-up for your cups. Okay, so just click this cup and it will pop up into this page. Okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger so that you can see how it looks like. All right, you see here, insert your image. So we're going to insert the image into the cup. So whatever image that you want, if you already have an image that you want to use, well, all you're gonna do is just to upload it in Canva and drag it into here. So I already upload the image that I want to put in my cup, so I'm going to the uploads, and you will see all the files that you already uploaded. Let's say I want to use this code, so I'm just gonna click it and it will drag into this. Okay, so I'm just gonna make this a little bit smaller so you can see, so that it will fit into the map. There you go. So you can use this if you want to, or you can also use the image. Okay, so let's go back, and I want to use my own face, so I'm just gonna drag it here, click that one, and the size is in the middle, so I want this here, and just wait for seconds and it will show up into your mug. All right, so this is for the cup. So if you want to create an image for your cup, and then you can just upload all the image that you want, codes, objects, or anything. But if you want to use the elements inside of Canva, you can also do that. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this back off, and then I'm going to scroll up, and you will see these elements. Okay, click the elements, and then here on the bar you can type any kind of elements or objects that you want to put into that cup. Okay, so let's say, for example, I want to put some like let's say flowers. Okay, so I'm just gonna type flowers, and it will give you a lot of style or different kind of flowers that you want to make up for your cup. Okay, so I'm gonna click this see all, so that I can see all of the flower borders, flower bouquet. You can play with this around, guys. So flowers, there you go. Or you can flowers border if you want to. So you just play around with this, guys, and or photos, there you go. So let's say if you want to use some flowers like this. Okay, let's say I'm gonna use this one. I'm just gonna place this one over here, and there you go. So let's wait for a second, and you will see the flower that you choose is on your mug. All right, so once you finish with that, then you go into the share, go down here and print it with Canva. Okay, so now there you go. All right, so now let's add another page for different style that you want. So let's say you want to make a t-shirt, so let's go back again to the mock-ups. So if you want to change the color of the t-shirt that you want, just click the color, and then you can choose that you want, or you can just choose any color that you want for your t-shirt, and then apply changes, and then you will see the color change. All right, so let's say you want to use the Canva codes. let's change the codes for your t-shirt. Okay, then we're going back to the elements here and type here on the search bar, which is codes. Alright, and this it will give you a lot of codes that you want to use for your t-shirt. Just scroll down and find the codes that you want for your t-shirts. So if you want to change the color, just go here and click the color, and then you can choose the color of the t-shirt that you want, and then just click apply changes, and now your t-shirt is going to change color. And if you want this make to make a little bit bigger, and then you can just edit this one, and as you see here, you can edit that one here, make this bigger. Just click the edit so you can edit the codes that you want, and there you go. And then apply changes, and then now it's getting a little bit bigger. So it all depends up to you guys. So if changing color is here, just click this one and you know, color will change. All right, so let's go to another page and let's do other things. Like for example, you want to do it on video, so you can use your phone, you can use your laptop or iPad. So let's say you want to do it on your iPad or your computer. So I'm just gonna stretch this out, guys, so that you can see it a little bit bigger, how it looks like when you want to use a video. Okay, so now let's go back to our uploads and choose the file or images or whatever you want into your videos. Okay, just drag in there and let's play it. All right, there you go. So you can change any image or objects that you want. If you want to put yourself in there, then that's fine. So you can also use a video for your mock-up. So if you're doing like tutorials or you know, presentation, well, you can use that. And I want to show you guys, let's go another one page. So if you want to use this into your phone, as you see here, I already created one for your smartphone, then you can also do that. Okay, so let's do another one, which is let's use some packaging. Okay, so if you click this one, see all, so you can choose which one you want to put your mock-ups. You can use this for your water bottle, for your tumbler, and for your products that you want to sell. Okay, let's say I want to use this one. If you want to put some background there, it's all up to you. So let's say let's put some backgrounds. Okay, if you want to put this background, okay, so let's say like a shampoo bottle. Okay, so if I'm gonna put this one, maybe I'm gonna drag this one over here, and then I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller and drag it there so it will fit into this bottle. I might put this in the middle, just like that. So there you go. So you can use that too, and you can just put some text here if you want to. So let's say let's put some text. Okay, click the text one, and then you can, you know, you can also use this one if you want to. So if I say I'm gonna use this and drag it here at the bottom. Okay, let's say shampoo. There you go. And then there you go. So here's the shampoo, and I'm just gonna delete this. There you go. Then you can make this a little bit bigger. You can put it on the bottom, you can put it here on the top, just like that, so that you can see that this bottle is for shampoo. So this is how you can create a mock-ups inside of Canva, even though you're using a pre-account or a pro account. Just go around there, guys, and once you see these crowns down, this is only for those who are pro users account that have in Canva. But if you see that there is no crown like that, and if you don't have a pro account, well, you can also see this one, you can use this one, you can use this one, you can use this one. Just make sure that there is no crown so that you can use that if you are using a free version. All right, so that's all for today's, guys, and I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. And for those of you who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And for all my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.